All right, let's do Will's game first. Okay, then Louis, you can have another turn. Well, no, because we didn't play that game for very long. Will, is this your game? All right. Obviously, this game is don't push the button. Push. Oh. Okay. Can I slow myself down? Is this the strat? Oh. Push the button. Oh, I pushed the button first. I pushed it first. Oh, turn everything not blue. I got this. No, cyan forever. Yeah, cyan forever. This guy got all my stuff. Rude. Go away. Shoot. I'm gonna get your stuff now because you're a punk. Oh, I want to win. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. All right, fine. I'm gonna take your stuff. That guy's being mean. Hey, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, 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 what are you doing? Oh! No, I'm a chicken dinner. I pushed the button. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, whoa. I'm a giant. Oh, oh, oh. Will's the chosen one. Wait, why is Will the chosen one? Do we need to bow down? Oh, great and wise leader. Watch out for snowballs. Ah! Doesn't snow. There's no snow here. Wow, this fell down really slow. That's a big one. Whoa. Oh. 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 I win. I'm a winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, oh, there's a red circle around you. Those guys died. I pushed the button first. I win. I win. Ha ha! No one's here. This is my power. Now rise, rise, my brothers. Oh, oh, okay. Ew. What's so ew? Ew. Oh, oh. Potatoes! Potatoes! Wow, that was aggressive. That was aggressive. Oh, died from death. Yeah, the potatoes kill. You hear that, guys? The potatoes killed the phone. Feed the giant noob. I want to feed the giant noob. You cannot eat me. I will not feed you. No. Ah! I died. I am free. Reach the end. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh. Oh, someone has hacks. Someone has their hacks on. Someone is hacking. I repeat. Oh. I don't know. Some goober thinks he needs to hack. Don't you love hackers? Or obviously someone paid really good money to beat the game. What a pro. Wiener, wiener, chicken wiener. I won. I won. Wait, why isn't my name on the scoreboard? Scoreboard! Scoreboard! Wait, this isn't the end? Isn't this the end? Ah! Oh. Oh. Well, does Will want to choose a different game or does he want to keep playing this game? Oh. I guess we are moving on. Well, dude, Will's not the one who said he didn't like it. It was you that said you didn't like it. Therefore, Will gets to choose. Hello. Don't you understand my English? That makes complete sense. Chat, do you understand what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? Get to the water. Water! See? See, Benny says, yeah. I'm smelling what you're stepping in. Yeah.